News 2 is on COVID-19 watch. The findings of one of the largest U.S. studies exploring how COVID-19 affects children are in. Unlike originally thought, kids are not spared from serious health issues caused by the virus. In fact, most children requiring hospitalization did not have any underlying health conditions. A pediatric study released today found 1 out of every 4 children admitted to the hospital with COVID required ICU care.
And that's, I think, higher than most people would expect.
Dr. James Antone, a pediatrician at Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt, worked on the study that included 20,000 pediatric patients from 45 children's hospitals around the country between April and September of 2020.
More than half of children admitted to the hospital with COVID-19 did not have underlying health conditions. However, those with underlying health conditions and very specific comorbidities had a much higher risk of severe disease.
While gender didn't seem to play a role in how sick a child got, age did.
Children older than 12 who are eligible for the vaccine were among those who are the highest risk of having severe COVID disease and getting very, very sick from COVID.
Sick to the point of requiring critical care and assistance breathing. But overall, younger children needed the most hospital care.
A concerning part of this study is that 70% of children who are hospitalized are not eligible for the vaccine. They're younger than 12, and that we need to protect those children.
There is some good news.
Deaths were rare.
Even still, parents need to be aware of the long-term effects the virus can cause.
We know that children, more so than adults, are more likely to get what we call MIS-C disease, or an inflammatory disorder, after their COVID, and that's weeks and weeks after the COVID is gone.
And he also says more research needs to be done to explore symptoms of long COVID in children. And this comes as News 2 has learned that a Caverna Independent School District teacher has passed away. Amanda Nutt died of complications of COVID-19. She was the 2020 Hart County, Kentucky Teacher of the Year. Counselors will be on hand to help students and staff at the school. And News 2 is tracking the virus online. For the very latest on COVID-19 in your community, visit WK.